Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep me focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So, you guys, I have here some condensed milk that I made just a couple days ago. And I also came across a recipe from a site called Useful and Quick. And that is right down my alley, being a very, very busy woman, 2 YouTube channels, working outside of the house. So this particular recipe definitely caught my attention. And it is for a lemon flavored mousse. Real simple, 2 ingredients, lemon juice and a condensed milk. But this particular recipe was a non-keto recipe. Of course, I converted it to keto by making my own condensed milk. So let's get right into it, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started with putting this condensed milk into a mixing bowl. And I'll also leave the original recipe in the description because I am just making a fraction of the original recipe, which I do believe was like 1.5 cups of condensed milk, and I've got here probably a 1/4 cup. And I also do recall that they added the juice of 1 lemon to their recipe. And I am going to start with probably 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. All right, and let's get to mixing. All right, this now has a consistency that I am looking for a light, airy mousse. All right, let's put this aside. All right, okay, so we are now going to serve this up. So you can serve it up with some fruit, fresh fruit, or do what I'm going to do, and that is sprinkle a little bit of shaved chocolate on top. So let me go ahead and get the serving dish and I will be right back. All right, everyone, this is the finished mousse. It is light and airy and it smells so good. The smell of that condensed milk along with the lemon, so good. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. This is delicious. Wow. Again, this was another one of those recipes that just caught my attention, because it was super simple. Just 2 ingredients, condensed milk, lemon, and in a matter of minutes, you have got yourself a delicious dessert. You can make it for multiple people or you can make it for a party of 1, which is exactly what I did. Another serving suggestion was to put some shaved chocolate on top. So you guys will have to try that too. See how this tastes. Oh, that looks amazing. Wow. Okay. This is so good. It's one of these things where if you were having family and friends over and you wanted to top off a delicious dinner with a light, airy dessert, this definitely would do it. It's just enough, okay, to satisfy your palate without being too overwhelming and too heavy. Spot on delicious. You guys, I am going to leave the description again to the full recipe so that you can try this as well. And do me a favor, if you have tried this and you love it, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. I would love to hear from you guys. And if you're not yet a part of my YouTube family, press that subscribe button below. Would love to have you along for my YouTube journey. So until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And I will see you guys real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you all so much for joining me.